Imagine this, the sun's just rising, you're on a long road trip, and there's a yearning for that home-cooked breakfast. What if you could have it all, right from the trunk of your car? Introducing a kitchen designed for the wanderer in you. Perfectly tailored for any SUV, sedan, truck, hatchback, van, or camper, this compact marvel takes up minimal space yet promises maximal utility. It's already assembled. No fuss installation. Just turn over and stick on the trunk carpet. If you have a sill, add planks. This isn't just a box, though. Open it up, and you'll find a spacious storage compartment with dividers you can rearrange to your heart's content. Three sizable fold-out tables emerge, inviting you to whip up a meal or lay out a picnic spread. Three expansive fold-out tables transform any spot into your personal kitchenette, spacious enough to let three culinary enthusiasts co-create. In our attention to detail, you'll find soft lighting, purposeful cutlery hooks, and a finely crafted leather handle. Oh, and did we mention the automatic faucet? Or the built-in sink that comes with its very own drain? Installation? A breeze! And when you're done, removal's just as swift. It's there when you need it and stows away when you don't. Now picture this, hot, buttery scrambled eggs on a mountain edge. Freshly brewed coffee overlooking a serene lake. Whether it's festivals, beach trips, or lakeside retreats, this pull-out kitchen is your ultimate travel companion. And let's talk specifics. When packed, its dimensions are a sleek 27 inches by 18 inches by 8 inches, but when in action, it stretches out to a generous 71 inches in length. And weighing in at just around 30 pounds, it's designed for mobility. Customization? You got it! 7 dedicated spots for that faucet and 2 unique positions for your wash basin. Front or back? Your choice. Our car kitchen is a testament to our belief that adventures on the road shouldn't mean compromising on comfort. Why choose between the thrill of the wild and the comforts of a hotel when you can have both? Based in Houston, Texas, our commitment is straightforward, crafting products that meet the highest standards of quality and ensuring a fair and ethical production process. Space for your travel essentials? More than you'd expect. Pots, pans, dishes, and that secret stash of snacks all find a home here. And yes, those pesky wash-ups on the go? We've tackled that too. The Camp Kitchen's faucet even comes with a USB charger. Supportive, strong tables mean you practically have a home kitchen wherever you go. And don't fret about a sudden downpour, we've ensured the car kitchen wards off moisture. Crafted with precision using a CNC machine, every edge, every fold, every detail is meticulously carved. It's not just a kitchen, it's a promise of adventure with a sprinkle of home.